So join me, okay, unboxing this new tech review that will help you as a weekend warrior or as a biker, okay? We will do unboxing as first part of this review, and second is we will install this, mean how to install this and use it, okay? So without further ado, let's get it on, guys!
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Okay guys, this is the first part of our product review. Okay, again, the first part will be unboxing. As you can see on the delivery label, okay, it's a BUZZRACK Colibri. So BUZZRACK model Colibri. This is for all bikers out there, mountain bikers, road bikers, downhill bikers, okay, that you want to use your car or SUV. This is the product we will going to unbox now. Okay, let's start it now. Okay guys, we already unboxed this BUZZRACK, okay, BUZZRACK Colibri model. As you can see, we have this particular instruction manual, BUZZRACK, okay. There's some spare straps on it and some clips, okay. This particular BUZZRACK, this is one of the famous brand if you are using a rack for your cars, okay, to adapt or to mount your all biking needs, okay. This is the BUZZRACK Colibri, as you can see, okay. It has an available straps on it, okay, on the side, okay. There are some paddings here on top, okay. There are some paddings to protect the paint of your car, okay. Basically, there are a lot of hooks, okay. There are a lot of hooks here, okay. A lot of hooks here, and they said it's a quick connect and easy to install. So we're going to find this out once we apply this and install this to my car. Okay? Okay, what is the spec? What is the spec of this BUZZRACK? Okay? So basically, this one weight around 3.3. Okay, 3.3 kilograms. Okay? So once you mount this in your car, okay, or SUV, it can hold up to 25 kilograms, okay? So I don't know how, okay? We're going to find that out. And of course, the maximum weight will be 25 kilograms or 55 pounds, okay? The only part that's not good here is it don't have any reflective or some backup lightings, just in case. And take note, this will be installed on the rear part of your car or SUV. Okay, so this particular Colibri, okay, looks robust. Okay, it has a good quality on it. The metal, the tubings, the straps. Okay, it's not cheap. Okay, looks it will carry, it will handle the 25 kilograms what the BUZZRACK is claiming. Okay, so we're going to find out that particular spec is true or not once we install this one to my car and then mount up my downhill bike. Okay, so my downhill bike is around 16 to 17 kilograms, so it's far way less from the spec of the BUZZRACK Colibri of 25 kilograms. Okay, so that's unboxing for this BUZZRACK Colibri bike rack. Okay, so let's go now for our second part. Okay, mounting this one to my car. Okay, hello guys, this is the BUZZRACK Colibri. We're going to install this one, okay, to this car. So join me in with VNfatBIKER.